Now I want to create my viewguest.asp. Again, go to File, click on New, choose blank page, page type is a SPVB script and click Create. Go to Layout and click on Insert Div Tag and start type here. And next go to Command and insert table. Rows is 6 and columns is 2 and click OK. First row is for full name. Next is for first name. Next is for last name, email, website, and last is for message. Now go to binding and click on the plus sign button and click on record set. Choose connection and table is from guestbook and click OK and drag the first name to here and make a space and last name here and again drag the first name to first name, last name to last name, email to email, website to website, and message to message. And now save your file. Go to File, click Save, and rename it to viewguest.asp. And go to Guestbook, click Preview in Firefox, and type first name, email, website, and message, and click on Submit. And now go back to your Dreamweaver and go to View Guest. And now I will show you how to use repeat region. Make a line under the table and highlight the table and the line. Go to Server Behaviors and click on the plus sign button and click on repeat region. Click OK. And save your file. Next, go to Guestbook, preview it in Firefox, and type first name, message. And click submit, and you can see this is the second message.